Hello Royale High fans, we had another great week of trading on Traderie.com. Before we hear about the most popular Halos from this past week, remember to subscribe and click that bell to receive a notification every time we upload here on our channel. Let's get right into it and let's take a look at the Royale High tier list. Let's take an even closer look at the most popular Halos from this past week. Here are the Halos with the most listings. 1. The Halloween Halo 2019. 2. The Valentine's Halo 2019. 3. The Spring Halo 2022. 4. The Spring Halo 2020. And closing out the Halos with the most listings at 5 is the Mermaid Halo 2020. For the Halos with the most completed trades, we have the Spring Halo 2020, Spring Halo 2022, Valentine's Halo 2019, 4. Mermaid Halo 2022. Closing out the Halos with the most completed trades, we have the Halloween Halo 2019. The most wishlisted Halos are the Halloween Halo 2021, the Spring Halo 2022, Valentine's Halo 2021, Halloween Halo 2019, and closing out the most wishlisted Halos, we have the Halloween Halo 2020. That's it for this week's Royale High tier list. Tune in next week for more Halo or sets trading data. I'm Mitchell with Traderie News. Thanks for watching.